In the last video, we learned what is AI image generation and how it works behind the scenes. We also saw different types of AI image generation techniques and models. We also learned about prompting and why it is necessary. We also learned about the importance of negative prompt. And I had given a master AI image prompt file with 30 different prompts. And in this video, we are going to experiment with the 10 of these 30 of the important prompts from the file and see how it works in live demo. Now let's start with our first prompt of the file. Now I will just copy the prompt and paste it here and just press the generate button here, arrow. So now it has begun generating the image. The first prompt was for a scenery, AI scenery, mountains and clouds and a lake. So let it generate. I'll just skip this part. And now this is how our scenery has been generated. As you can see, it is still dull and dark but beautiful. But I want a sunrise scene in this scenery, so I will just now go to the prompt section and add the prompt and tell it to add a sun rising scene. So I'll just type here now, add a sunrise scene. And now okay, now this is how we type it in the same image and then generate. Now after writing the prompt, I'll just press the enter and let's see what are the results. So we will just see how the old image was and let's see how the new image will be generated. Now it will take some time. And now it will be generated in few seconds. Okay, now that's we have generated it. Now we can see the sun rising from the right side of the image. In that old image there was no sun. In the new image the sun is visible, and also lighting effects have been changed, but still it has missing like greenery is missing here, no trees, no animals. So I'll just again prompt add some greenery, trees and animals. So keep in mind, whenever you're generating an AI image, start from the raw and then improve it step by step, as I'm doing right now. So now I will just type the prompt, drinking water from the lake. Yeah, I want some animals to drink water from the lake because nature is beautiful and nature is very refreshing. You must be knowing it. Yeah, now just press the enter and now it started generating. It takes some time. So in the earlier we didn't had any sun, then we added the sun rising scene, and after that now we are going to add some greenery, trees and animals drinking water. Yeah, because water is important. You also drink water now. Go bring some water and drink it because it is important. So now you will just wait for some time and let this model generate the image. It will take some time. I'll just skip. And now the image has been generated. Now with the trees and animals, as you can see in the image, first it was just a lake and a mountain and a sun was not there. So then we added the sun and now we have added the greenery, plants, trees, animals everywhere. And now it is looking more natural, very refreshing and rich. So this is how the first prompt from the file we had experimented. From the raw image, we took the prompt to generate raw image and started updating it and upgrading it step by step. So this is how the first prompt works. Now in the second prompt, we will have to generate a portrait image from a reference image. So I will just select my own reference image to generate a headshot portrait. So I will just paste my image here, and then I will just copy the prompt and then paste it in the text box. Now it is pasted. Now I will just enter and see the results, what it generates, how it generates, and the corrections. But before that, I will just add a line, use the uploaded image as a reference file and create the headshot portrait image. And now we generate it, so it takes some time. So after some time it has these results. This is how the portrait headshot generated from my reference image. Now I want my hair and skin to be fixed because it's not looking good. It had just copy pasted my face and skin and the hair from the reference image and pasted on some person's body. Now I will just tell it to fix my hair and my skin and send it and see how it works, what changes happens. So now it has started generating the image. So we took the reference image, generated the first raw image, and now we are experimenting it step by step, upgrading it one step at a time. You can use these images for like LinkedIn or any photo you need, professional photo, wherever you need it, for a resume or something. So this image was raw. Now we are going to get a upscaled and better image now. It will take some time. So why image generation takes times? Because as explained in the earlier video, it is generating pixel by pixel. Each image is generating. See, now this is the upscaled image. My hair was messy, now it is fixed here. Also my skin is now soft. Still we can do more changes in this image, like change the suit color or the background. So now I think we must change the suit color because I want my suit to be blue. So I just type change suit color to blue, or any color you can choose in your image. Okay, so you must look professional every time because professionalism is the key for a better job, or if you are working, professionalism is very important. So let's see how the outcomes of this prompt is going to generate my old image to a better new image. So this was the raw image, then we generated made some fixes for my hair and skin color and skin, and now we are changing our suit color also. We can also change our background, or you can just write in your own image. Just use your own reference image and generate it. Now this is going to take some time, so we'll just skip it. See, now we have the new generated image with a blue suit. First we had the black suit, now we have the blue suit. Now you can do more, like changing a shirt color, adding a tie, or fixing your hair or beard or mustache, or changing the background, or you can also change lighting. So this is how the second prompt of our file works. You can also give it a try. Just watch my earlier video and you can download the prompt from the description. Now this is the third prompt we are going to try. This is for cinematic movie scene. So let's see how the cinematic movie scenes is generated. So you can see it used my face from the earlier image and just added it to the scene, cinematic scene, and now I am a superhero or a spy. I think so. I don't know what it is. Must be a criminal or a cop, something. You guess it and comment it below. I don't know. So I don't want my face in this scene because I am not a cop or a thief or a drug seller. So I will just keep it. Let's see what it does. Just remove my face, or it will totally replace with someone else, or it will do something else. I don't know. Let's see what it does. I'm using chatgpt. You can use any of your favorite AI image generation tool because the new update is very better and it generates image in very perfect way. Oh, it just turned me around. First I was facing front side, and I'm facing back side. That's it. Okay. So I told him to just hide my face, so he just turned me away from front to back. That's okay. Now let's see our fourth prompt. This is generating let's see what are the surprise outcomes of this prompt. Use that file in the description of my last video, and you can also experiment. There are total 30 prompts in that file, so you can use them as you wish, but use them properly. So it is generating. It is taking time. It will take time. It will test your patience, but you need to have some patience. Okay, now this is a cinematic game image. So I told it to generate another scene. Now, as you can see on the top, why I skipped this part, because it takes lot of time. So now it will generate another scene, but it will generate it better because I didn't like the oldest scene it generated. You can see it looks like a game scene, but I want it more natural. See, you can see how the difference is now. It has added dragons and some fire and some lightning and some cinematic details. From it is like a fantasy, okay, fantasy image. You can use this to generate AI videos also. Like you can generate the first scene and the last scene and just explain it in the prompt to generate a video or a scene. Now in the next prompt we are going to generate an AI generated anime character. So I'll just use the prompt, copy it, and now paste it in the text box, and now generate it. Now this will be the first raw image of an anime character. It will take some time to generate. I know you all like anime characters and animes. Comment below your favorite anime character and your favorite anime. So this is how the AI anime character is being generated, and this is the raw file. But I want my own face to be generated as an anime character. So I'll use the same old earlier image of my reference and then use the image to generate an AI anime character. So I will just want to become an anime myself. So I will just enter and see how I turn out to be an anime character and which anime do I fit in. Can you tell me which anime I can fit in? Just wait for the image to generate and let me know in the comments. So it has started generating. It will take some time. So this is how my AI anime characters with my own face has been generated. First we used the prompt, generated the raw image, used my own reference image and generated my own face anime character. So this is how you can generate an anime character with the prompt. You can also try it from the prompt file. Now next we generate a watercolor painting. So this prompt I just enter and we see how we generate a AI generated watercolor painting. A scenery of a village and it has been generated. You can see I use this prompt and now the scene has been generated. You can see it is beautiful, but still the lighting and some elements are missing. So I will just type add some kids playing and fix the lighting and colors. So I will just type the prompt. You can write it by your own language as you like, because this chatgpt models can understand any type of language. If you are not able to prompt in English, you can prompt in any other language and it will start adapting to it. So now it has begun generating. It will take some time and after some time let's see what are the results. So the lighting has been changed from my earlier raw image to this image looks even more better, and also the kids and some animals playing around the house you can see in this image. Now we next generate a Renaissance portrait image. I don't know what type of image it will generate with whose face. You can guess. Let's see what it generate. I'll just copy this prompt and paste it here and just enter and it will start generating. And now it will take time. You need patience for this. If you don't have patience, you are not good at generating AI images. That's for sure, because the current models are very slow. In the future, I think it will reduce the time and will be more faster. So now it has started generating. It is doing some work in the background. Now oh wow, look at my painting portrait, a Renaissance style painting of my own face. This time I had not given the reference image, but it remembered from the earlier chat that if it is a portrait, use my face, because it already has my reference image in the chat. It also had in the anime, so it is using the same image to generate my face in an Renaissance style paint. I want a lion beside me because only just a Renaissance style king looking image is not enough. I want a lion beside me. I'll just write it down and send it and see. It has added a lion beside me. I am holding that lion and it is my pet now. So this is how you can generate your own face portrait Renaissance style painting and just frame it and hang it in your home. So now we use the next prompt to generate a futuristic city scene. And just copy the prompt and paste it and just see how it comes out to be. It has started generating. I don't want to say it will take time again, so I'll just skip this part. So each image generation takes about like 1 to 2 minutes. Sometimes if it is highly detailed, it can take more time. It depends on the quality and the elements to be added in the image, because it has to understand each and every word from a prompt and generate it precisely. Sometimes it can make mistakes, but you have to fix it again and again by prompting again and again and explaining it. You cannot generate a perfect image in one go. And also be sure to write a prompt properly. So this is how our futuristic city image has been generated. Now, before I had generated a raw image with a boy, but I wanted a girl in that, so I entered the prompt to add a girl and make it brighter. So this is the second result of the same prompt. You can see how bright, colorful, futuristic it has made it. Now in the next prompt we will generate a hyper realistic luxury car image. So you might be know different types of cars, different types of brands. So this is how we generated a car, a Lamborghini, a black one. But I don't want a black one, I want a green one. So I will just tell it to make it green color. You like cars. Some of them don't like them. Some of them like in their favorite color, and some of them like them in their favorite brand. So I want Lamborghini to be green color. So I told it to generate it in green color. But I also don't like Lamborghini at all. Like I like muscle cars like Mustang. So in the next prompt, I will just tell it to change the car from Lamborghini to Mustang, and it must give me perfect car image of my favorite car, Mustang. So let's see. Change the car type to Mustang, and let's enter and see what it generates. So after a few minutes it will generate me a Mustang. I don't know what color it will generate because I have not written the color of the Mustang. So it had generated a green color Mustang. As I in the earlier prompt I told it to convert the black Lamborghini to green, so it used the same color for my Mustang also. And this looks very beautiful. You can use these images in your websites, landing pages and more. Now next you will generate a ad. Many of you must be thinking why we need to generate an ad, but this prompt is very necessary for people who do marketing, who want to generate a product image or ad image. So I will just use the prompt and then take a reference image of a popcorn. This is my product. This popcorn tub is my product. So I just use this reference image and tell it use the reference image and then generate the product image. So first we generate a raw image, and then next further we update it and upgrade it step by step. So now it has started generating the raw image, and after some time it will generate me the perfect upscaled correction raw image of a popcorn tub as same is in the reference image. So do you like popcorn or something else? Popcorn is very important because it is healthy. So as you saw, I used the popcorn image and generated this first raw image. I want the popcorn to be spilled out and floating in the image. So I will just type this prompt, make it float and spill all over like a cinematic motion effect, and just enter, and let's see the results, how it looks. So now it will start generating the image, and this is how the results are. You can see the popcorn is spilled everywhere, and it is flying all over, like you have just made the popcorn fly everywhere. Now I will just change the popcorn tub color because my original color is orange. My brand color is orange, so I will use the orange color tub. I can also change the text on the tub of the popcorn as my brand, or I can just use my reference logo image of my brand and just paste it and tell it to edit on the logo on the tub. So now it has started generating, and now it will just convert the image color from yellow tub of popcorn to orange. So this is how we generated a ad image. I can also generate it in any other different aspect ratios and add text or anything. So this was the first part of my demo for AI image generation prompt files. In the next, we will see next 10 prompts and we will learn from it. Thanks for watching this video demo till the end. I will like you to subscribe my channel, give a like to my demo and all the other videos. Please watch the video before giving a like, because I want you to learn something from me. If you learn from me, I feel better because I like to share education everywhere. So, subscribe to my channel, give a like, comment your feedbacks and what improvements should I make in my next video. Also, share this video to anyone who wants to learn AI image generation. Thank you for watching till the end.